Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp message not showing. To know how to fix WhatsApp message not showing, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps here, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp. And then when you will enter here, you will go to force stop. After that, when you will end this, you will enter to storage, and here in this page you will click clear cache. After that, you will go to clear data, and after all that, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.